Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how you can earn some USDT using this USDT earning site. Okay, so to see how it works, all you have to do here is to only watch to the end and do not skip any part of this video. Okay, so you can see in my account I have about 100 USDT here, so we are just going to go ahead and click on cash out right now. So we're going to be testing to see if it is paying. So let's go for USDT BEP20. All right, so I'm about to cash out 100 USDT. So before that, let's go and get my wallet address. Okay, so this is my USDT account. I have about 200 USDT here, so we click on the receive button, we copy out the wallet address, go back and paste the wallet address in this box. Then after that, we go ahead and click on the button that says confirm. Okay, so after that it says success, and this happens to be my first cash out. Okay, so now we go back to this place and we are going to be refreshing my wallet balance. You see, this is my new balance, which is 295 USDT. So in that case, it is 100% active when it comes to paying users. Okay, so this is it over here. This is I received about, I cashed out 100, but I received 95. Okay, so that shows that it is actually legit. Okay, so now we go back to this place. If you want to start earning, all you have to do here is to follow these steps. First, you have to sign up. After sign up, it is going to bring you here. You come down here and you have to use this calculator to calculate and see what you are going to be receiving if you decide to put in some amount of USDT here. So let's say, for example, you are putting in 80 USDT. That is in exchange of you earning 2.4 USDT every day for 30 days. Okay, if you put in up to 50 USDT, you are receiving 15.50 USDT every day for 30 days, and that's going to give you over 465 USDT in 30 days. If you put in up to 100 USDT here, you are receiving you are earning 33 USDT every single day for 30 days. That is over 990 USDT. If you put in up to 500, you are going to be receiving 165 USDT every single day for 30 days, giving you 4,950 USDT. If you put in up to 1,000, that is helping you make 350 USDT every single day for 30 days, giving you 10,500 USDT. If you put in up to 5,000 USDT here, you are receiving 1,900 USDT every single day for 30 days, giving you 57,000 USDT in 30 days. Okay, so if you want to recharge your account, all you have to do here is to go ahead and click on this button that says recharge. Then it is going to provide different wallet addresses for you, such as TRC20, TRS coin, every wallet address. So go for the one that you want. It is going to generate the address below, and you have to just copy out the wallet address. Okay, so after that, go ahead and recharge your account. After recharging your account, come back and click on recharge completed. Then you can just go back to your account again, and the next thing to do here now is to come down here, enter the amount here, then choose the days you want, then you click on this button. So I have already recharged 8 USDT before I started making this video, so that's why I'm going to be recharging this 8 USDT. I'm going to be receiving 2.4 USDT every day for 30 days, giving me 72 USDT in 30 days, and I can also cash out every day. So we are clicking this button right here now. I click on confirm and it says success. Okay, so every day I'm going to be returning here to be receiving 2.4 USDT. You can recharge as many times as you want, and it is actually a new project, and the possibility of you making money from this project is actually high. So you can also click on the referral program here. They have about 3-level referral program offering you 11% on level 1, 3% on level 2, and 1% on level 3. So just copy your link, share it to your friends on social media platforms, and you earn money when they join. Okay, so that should be all for this video. Remember, recharge at your own risk and recharge what you can afford to lose. I'm not a financial expert, I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, so that should be all for this video. Like, subscribe, and follow me if you want to see more of my videos on how to earn money online. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and God bless.